If you grew up in a Jamaica, you already know brown stew fish isn't just food, it's comfort. And today I am making it the real home style way. This is one of those meals that always made everybody come in the kitchen. The smell alone, everyone asking, what is cooking in this kitchen? Here I have few pieces of fish and I decided to brown stew them. So I'm just putting some slit on this fish tail. I love the fish tail, guys. I'm sopping up some of the water. I'm going to season now, so we don't need much water on it because we are going to fry it, right? So I'm just putting on some seasoning right here. My regular jerk seasoning and Magaya seasoning. You don't have to put much seasoning on it, or you put what you want, right? Because we are going to make the gravy and we are going to season our gravy, so you don't have to put much. But if you love seasoning, you can go ahead and season it up with whatever you want, alright? This pot is going to take approximately 20 minutes, so we are going ahead to cut up the seasoning that we're going to use in the gravy. So we set the fish aside and we're cutting up these natural seasoning because fish goes well with natural seasoning. Here we finished cutting up the seasoning. We have tomatoes, scallion, bell peppers, different color, onion, and we have some carrot. Going in now with some oil, not much oil, and I cut up scotch bonnet pepper, a few pimentos, and we allow them to burn a little in the oil, and we're going in now with the fish. If you are using a non-stick pot, you can just put in your fish. If you're not using a non-stick pot, ensure that the pot is well hot before you put in your fish. We always fry the fish first to lock in the flavor and give it that golden color. Here I'm turning the fish now. You don't have to make it fry too much because I love brown stew fish because it's in between steamed fish and fried fish. I don't want it too dry, right? So you do it to your suit. This is how I do it. I don't make it brown too much. Here I'm removing the fish from the pot and we are going to go ahead and make the sauce. A dash of this spice, little of that fun. Cooking adventure has only just begun. So if you're hungry for something new, a recipe to try, subscribe and join us under this digital sky. From my humble kitchen, serving up a treat. Thank you for watching. The journey can't be beat. Humble hands that stir and chop, a simple grateful plea. So we saute all the vegetables and now we are putting the sauce together. We're going in with some ketchup. We're going in with some powdered seasoning. If you have fish seasoning, you can use it as well. Going in with some dark soy sauce. You can use browning if you don't have any soy sauce.
So hit that bell and come on back. We've got more in store.
This is where everything comes together. Natural seasoning, sauce and thyme.
Thank you.
Going in with a few pimento berries, and I'm putting in my fish now. Now remember, the fish is already fried, so we don't need it to stay on the fire too long. So what we are going to do, just put in the fish, cover it with the vegetable and some sauce, and just leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you turn off your stove.
Of this spice, little of that fun. The cooking adventure has only just begun. So if you're hungry for something new, a recipe to try, subscribe and join us under this digital sky. From my humble kitchen, I'm serving up a treat.
Every Jamaican home has their own way, but the feeling is always the same. Comfort. Jamaica love fish, especially fish that comes straight out of the sea. Yes. So this is sliced fish, straight out of the sea. It not go on too much ice. Here is it, guys. Finished, ready to serve. I'm serving it with some white rice. You can serve it with whatever you want to serve it with. So you can leave in the comment and tell me what you would serve your brown stew fish with. This is real home food. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for those that are watching that have not yet subscribed, and I know that you are going to subscribe after this. Stay tuned, guys, for more video, more authentic Jamaican cooking.
Who's come along and read the words we wrote. We're humble and we're grateful.
Real Caribbean food, real life, real flavor. Bless up yourself, guys. I'll see you in the next video.